Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question I get asked a lot. Can you add CashAPP to Rocket Money? Before we dive into that, let's take a moment to talk about what Rocket Money is. Rocket Money is a personal finance app that helps you manage your money in a variety of ways. It can track your spending, identify unused subscriptions, negotiate your bills, and even help you find better deals on insurance. Now, back to the question at hand, can you add CashAPP to Rocket Money? The short answer is no, you can't currently add CashAPP to Rocket Money. However, there is a workaround that you can use to track your CashAPP transactions. Here's how to do it. Open the CashAPP app and go to your transaction history. Take a screenshot of your transaction history. Open the Rocket Money app and go to the Add a Transaction section. Select Manual Entry and enter the details of your CashAPP transaction. Upload the screenshot of your transaction history. This method is not ideal, but it will allow you to track your CashAPP transactions in Rocket Money. I hope this helps. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.